Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I know you like it when I draw monsters, so today we will draw Siren Head. I have a playlist with my other Siren Head drawings on the channel. Be sure to check those out as well. You can start with a pencil sketch, but since the proportions are not so important, I will draw our Siren Head directly with a marker. First, I'll mark the locations of the main objects on the sheet. The speaker on one side, then on the other side. This is where the neck will be. I'll also mark the collarbones. Here's the rib cage. I'll mark the end of it. Here's the abdomen, the pelvis, and the legs. We'll divide the legs in half, marking the knees. This is where the arms start. They will be very long, reaching down to the knees. The distance from the collarbones to the palms is divided in half, and somewhere around here will be the elbows. I think I made this speaker too small, so I'll make it a little bigger. A bold line here isn't terrible. We'll add shadows later anyway. We'll make a small glare here and color over it right away. Draw the second speaker similarly. Usually, the main difficulties in drawing a person arise with proportions. Everything has to be anatomical. Head, arms, legs. Siren Head, on the other hand, can be disproportionate. He could have disproportionately long arms and legs. His chest may be disproportionate to his stomach. This makes it a lot easier for us to draw. We can experiment, and it's okay to make mistakes. Draw the neck, and then the wires. Draw the shoulders. Draw the collarbones that we outlined earlier. Siren Head has an almost inhuman anatomy. If we were drawing a human being, our ribs would be symmetrical. For Siren Head, they can be crooked, even mixed up. You could tangle one rib into another. It will make him even creepier. I'll even make two ribs merge into one. That's the great thing about drawing monsters. You can use your imagination, complicate or simplify it. This part of the human is flat, but our monster will have a curve. Humans have abs here, but we'll make these curved lines to add wiriness. My Siren Heads are always different. They don't look alike. Draw the pelvis and some lines. Draw the leg and make it crooked. Draw the other leg crooked too, ending both with an extension like a knee joint. Draw the knees, then the ankle. It's pretty easy to draw. The human ankle is made up of two bones, and our Siren Head will have two as well. Draw two bones on the right side and the same on the left. Make the toes long, crooked, and ugly. The more crooked, the better. You can draw 4 or 6 toes instead of 5. Draw the shoulder joint and long, crooked arms. This part of the arm also consists of 2 bones. Here is the elbow. Now draw the other arm. It would be logical to make the second arm similar to the first one, but I wanted to deliberately make it different. Now for the most interesting part, shadows and highlights. The darkest places are inside the chest. The light source is from above, so there will be a shadow at the bottom here. We can also direct the light source from below, making the picture look even creepier, but maybe next time. I have the light source at the top left, so this part here is more illuminated, and these parts will be in shadow. This part of the rib is inside, so it should be darker than the outside. To convey this, we apply the shadow with strokes using a black pen. Shade the ribs with movements from bottom to top. Here we'll add transitions and curves. Repeat my movements to create volume. Use similar strokes to cover the legs. Let's make crepe joints sticking out like old men. We'll enhance this effect with a white pen later. Now take a white gel pen to add glare and shine. This is where the light falls. Let's intensify this glare here. Even though we don't have any light here, let's still add a little shine to the inside. Next, take a simple pencil to add more shadows and volume. I don't know if it will be noticeable on camera, but in person it definitely adds volume. Create a gradient with a pencil. It's not necessary, but I wanted to do it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Here is the complete Siren Head.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.